Hi, I'm Battery Bill, and I'm here to introduce my favorite Anker product, the F3800 Plus. The F3800 Plus is a powerful, expandable, whole home backup battery system designed to provide reliable energy during outages, emergencies, off-grid adventures, and everyday power needs. Built with high-capacity LFP battery and advanced energy management technology. So here are the specs of the Anker F3800 Plus. 6,000 watt AC output, 120 volts, 240 volts, dual voltage support, 3,840 watt hour capacity, expandable up to 53.8 kilowatts, generator charging, AC wall charging, solar charging, can power large home appliances, AC outputs, standard household AC outlet, NEMA L1430 port, RV ready connections, USB-C port, USB-A port, 12-volt car socket, solar input connection.
Battery Bill, Battery Bill, Battery Bill, Battery Bill.
So the F3800 Plus is the perfect size for a home backup. Reason being is it's the perfect size to power one refrigerator for one day. And why that's important is because once you accomplish one day with keeping your refrigerator going, then you add solar panels, and then you can have a possibility of being perpetual, which means forever.
Battery Bill, Battery Bill.
You know, the F3800 Plus is actually for everybody. Reason being is that it fits perfectly in a home. And again, we're talking about the refrigerator. Everybody worries about their food. But realistically, if you really want to expand on it, you really can take this camping too. It fits in the car and you can go anywhere. Then you know what? If you want to take camping, that refrigerator and that 100-inch TV, it's perfect.
Battery Bill, Battery Bill.
Now, instead of 3 solar panels, you can now charge with 6 solar panels. And that's huge because before, you couldn't give the 3800 enough panels to be able to recharge itself in one day, which kind of made it not as good as the F3800 Plus.
Battery Bill, Battery Bill.
The F3800 Plus cannot power a whole home. If we're talking about a refrigerator, yes. You want to talk about 2 refrigerators? Well, you got to get 2 F3800 Pluses. But a whole home? No, you got to get something a little bit bigger. And we have those too.
Battery Bill, Battery Bill.
If you want to power your air conditioner, it's fine. You know, probably a 6,000 or a 9,000 BTU unit will keep it going for about 6 to 9 hours.
Battery Bill, Battery Bill.
You can use it all day. I mean, you can charge maybe, I'm guessing 10 batteries with it. So if that's all you need, then this would be perfect for that.
Battery Bill, Battery Bill.
So the F3800 can be used for job sites. But if you're talking about powering a whole job site, then you probably need something a little bigger because they usually have like an office, got multiple computers and everything. But if you have a refrigerator on the job site, this will be perfect for that.
Battery Bill, Battery Bill.
If you're going to recharge it with solar panels, it all depends how many panels you have. So if you have 6, home-sized panels, 2 hours, it will be charged. However, if you wanted to, you can just plug it in and it'll be ready in 3 hours.
Battery Bill, Battery Bill.
Yes, it does. You can charge and use at the same time.
Battery Bill, Battery Bill.
So the F3800 Plus is not light. It actually weighs about 135 pounds. If you're a strong guy, well, that's probably nothing. I can handle it only because it has wheels. It's kind of, to me, when I'm carrying it around, it's kind of just like rolling around a big piece of luggage.
Battery Bill, Battery Bill.
Okay, so can it replace the generator? Yes. An EU2200 is the most popular generator on the market. So that can produce 2,200 watt hours per hour. The F3800 is almost 4,000 watt hours. So that would be the equivalent power of running an EU2000 for basically 2 hours.
Battery Bill, Battery Bill.
The F3800 Plus is very expandable. You can put up to 6 batteries attached to the F3800. Remember now, the F3800 is 3.8 kilowatts. Multiply that by 6, and that's how much power you can get from a 3800 Plus system.
Wait, you can stack 6 batteries on it?
Yes. Didn't you read about that?
No, I did not. I didn't know about that.
To me, it's the king of all these solar generators because it is the perfect machine to do your refrigerator for one full day. If you have any more questions, just come on by Battery Bill Superstore. Thanks for watching this video. I really had fun making it. And if you like it, like it. And if you want to subscribe, subscribe. Thank you.